Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now we would go to take a look at this WTI for the week, for this week, right? And we are going to start from the higher time frame down to the forward time frame. But before we actually do that, let's take a look at this movement that was made this week that just finished, right? We did analysis on WTI. Our target was that WTI should get to a level of either 82 or 83 before we get that drop that we talked about, right? Our expectation was that once this price can get to level of 82, we would have a drop. And if in case it breaks out, then a level of 83 will be that level that WTI could will give us that drop. But will I say price actually did not get to that level of 82. It actually got to a level of 81, and now we've now gotten that drop. I mean, I was the drop itself that I was expecting was kind of like a level of 75, but currently we are trading at a level of 73. So in order to be able to know what will this movement will be made this week, we are going to start from the higher time frame. Now take a look at it, right? We will start with this moment here, which is which is a year 2020. So this is during that period, we all know what happened that 2020, the lockdown and everything, the prices of these commodities actually increased. So you can see an higher highs and higher lows. So price has been going bullish, uptrend move is what we are having. You cannot take a look at this 10 period simple moving average that I am using here. Price has been trading above it. Now, once price is trading above it, right, that is an indication that this is actually a bullish move. Or what you would want to do is kind of like wait for a setup, you know, get the best time to actually go ahead, and take your buy and everything. So, but now this price started dropping. I think this started, it was not mid 2020, sorry, mid 2022, mid last year. I'll say around that June, July period, WTI crude oil started giving us that bearish move. You can see a lower lows here. Let me see it here. This, you can take a look at this to be a drop, which is a lower lows, and we will consider this to be a pullback. After that, a new lows. So basically, a new lows has been formed, which has broken this previous lower lows here. So a new lows has been formed that has broken this previous lower low. So we will be expecting more lows to be made on WTI. So more lows needs to be made on WTI. So that is what we'll be expecting. You can now also see that this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, right? So as long as this price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average, all what we want to do is go ahead and sell. So this is one of the reasons why, about last 2 months and everything, we were actually looking, we were actually selling on WTI. All what we were doing was, kind of go ahead and sell on WTI crude oil. So that is it. Now, when you go to the weekly time frame, you see this moment. This is actually a bearish move. You can take a look at it. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You can see this price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. Well, price kind of went bullish and it broke above it a little bit, right? So price broke above it a bit, right? So now price is now drop, corrected itself by trading how it's supposed to do, broke below this 10 period moving average. Now we are trading below it. So this, we consider this to be a pullback. We cannot take a look at this to be a new lows that took out this previous lows. And here a pullback was made that got to a level of 81. Now we'll be expecting more drop. So basically this week I would also be expecting a bearish move. Let me see if this week we'd actually hit a level of 70.69. We can actually break lower than that. We can even drop more than that. So I just wanted to know, price can even drop lower than that, but we should first watch out for a level of 70. Maybe during the week, I'm going to update you guys if price will drop further down. Then I'll let you to know if price will actually change in direction by giving us, bullish move. I'm going to let you to know. But first, let's watch out for a level of 70 this week. That is what we want to watch out for, a level of 70 on WTI. this week. You can also see it right. This price is still below this 10 period moving average, so we should still expect more drops by the way. So when you now take a look at this daily time frame, if you take a look at this daily time frame on this WTI, you can take a look at this drop as we made here, lower lows and lower highs. So then kind of like a bullish move was made around this period. Anyway, price is now dropping. So once we are all expecting price to actually drop to a level of 70, but now this price has dropped and it is trading at a level of 73. So we talk about having a pullback to a level of 75. I think it was on Friday. I did the analysis on Friday, right? Told you guys that at least a pullback should we should have kind of like a pullback to a level of 75 before we have get that bearish move. I think 74, 75 was what I talked about. Can't really recall. But anyway, price has given us the pullback of 75. So let's see if we would have one more drop to take out this level of 70 this week. So this is one of the reasons why this week on WTI, I am watching for a bearish move. You can also see this price is still trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So this is to tell you that more bearish move is to come. Now, when you take a look at your 4-hour time frame, you can kind of see like this move here was made. So let's expect no more drop. So by the way, this 4-hour time frame is still the same thing with all what I am expecting on WTI, a bearish move for the week.